What's it say? Lord. Right. Okay, alright, okay, we're in.
Cash, do me cross the state line just to see my waistline. 28 is the only time we ever FaceTime.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Video for you guys. I know how boring hair videos are these days. I'm even dreading filming them, but I thought it'd be better for me to, I need to gloss my lips a bit. I thought it'd be, that's better, hair reviews all in one video, if that makes sense. If I receive like 3 hairs in a month, or like 4 hairs or 2 hairs, I want to put them in the same video. I can't be asked, and I know people can't be asked to watch, and I can't be asked to watch myself talk about one hair for like 5 minutes. There's not that much to say, like seriously. I'll show you guys 2 different hairs that I still get my hair from Aliexpress. Aliexpress is not dead, okay? It's not dead. This is from WIGGINS hair, and I made it into a wig myself. I always make my own wigs. I save me coins, I save me money. It's a body wave. They sent me 2 24s, a 22 and 20 and a 20 lace frontal from WIGGINS hair of Aliexpress. It's Brazilian. So with this wig, I only used 2 24s, a bit of a 22, and obviously the 20 lace frontal. Cut it to up to here, so that's where my lace frontal is, because I don't know how to do it ear to ear and let it lay flat properly. So my frontal only shows like, this is the frontal, that's it, and then my natural edges are out on the side. But I always wear it down anyway, and if I do want to tie it, that's the only bit I can show anyway, and I don't really care. So yeah, this is one of the hairs. I've been wearing this for like, how long has it been? 2 weeks now. So this was also my birthday hair, and I really like this hair from WIGGINS because the body waves stay, and I'm really tired of getting hairs from companies body wave texture and the waves just drop, and it's just like, you know how it just looks all pretty and stuff because they do whatever they need to do to it, then the minute you start untangling the bundle to sew it down, it just becomes all, the only thing I do from the front, which I'm going to show you guys on camera, is, and then I kind of like to curve it in like this, so I have it, you'll see in a minute. Hold on. Oh, straighteners are hot, guys. I've had this straightener for like the most years. I think it's been like 5, it's actually been like 5 or 6 years, and I've had this same straightener, and it's just amazing. Clark from Argos. And I'll do the same to the other side, and I do this because I like my front a certain way, but other than that the waves stay. Yeah, I'm gonna stop waffling because this is what makes. So that's literally wig number 1, hair number 1, in love. This is my go-to hair at the moment. I'm upset because I have to take this off to show you guys the next hair, but anyway, we gotta do what we gotta do, so I'll show you guys hair number 2. So this is wig number 2. This is, I'm still skeptical about this one because as you can see, it's just, here's just not doing what I want it to do. Here's looking okay, but it's just looking a bit too much. When I feel like I have to do so much to a hair when I style it, that's when I'm put off, and this is one of these hairs I feel like anyway. But yeah, I'm going to spray it with water because that's why I'm going to try and make it look good at least. This is WIGGINS Hair Company. 2 26s, a 24 and a 22 and a 20 lace frontal. The only reason why I accepted to do this review is because basically I was watching Esther live on YouTube, and she reviewed this hair, and she had a really long bundle and it looked so good. But mine, I feel like because mine wasn't as long as hers, I think she had 30 inches. This is why I'm a bit, because they only had 26 to give me, so unfortunately it only comes up to literally no, not just, it feels like it comes low, but it isn't as long as I wanted it to be. I feel like that's why I'm turned off a bit. I don't know. At the curl pattern, I can't lie, I really love the curl pattern. This is loose curly. Love the pattern, but I just wish I had long bundles. I wore this for about a couple of days, only days, so I haven't had the full experience of it. But obviously if you have me on my Instagram and Snapchat and I rock this hair, then I'll be able to update you guys when I want to get the top bit curly. I don't know guys, how can I stop this from being straight unless I curl it myself? I don't know. and it's looking nice. I'm not even lying, the pattern is nice, but I just needed them 30 inches, and then that would have taken away the attention of this being so straight, if you know what I mean. But maybe it's just me, but it's very nice, as you look and see. I defo rock this eventually after I've worn other wig for a bit, but at the time when I freshly made it, I didn't know how to rock it. But I understand that I will just have to spray some water in it and get some co-activator, and then that will have me good to go. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys are actually enjoying the way I'm doing my hair reviews now. I think I doubted this hair too early. Anyway, bye guys.